Cheers and welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. Yeah, it's a box. The Pinter, the guys and gals over at the Pinter sent me a box with 3 kits. I popped it open. I'm like, I need to share because it's been a hot minute. So before I get brewing with these, I'm going to show you what they sent me. And yes, I will give you reviews on them. And for anybody out there who says, oh, you know, it can't be that good. I'm sorry. Extracts have come a long way. And I don't know what they're doing over at the Pinter, if they're adding some magic in here, some fairy dust, but I've been extremely impressed. And if you saw the Punk IPA, I was more impressed with that than I was with the stuff that comes in the can. Their kit just blew the real stuff away. It just was so much better. So I have 3 kits here. And for anyone out there who knows some of these breweries, because remember, the Pinter is, from what I understand, out of England originally. So yeah, I don't know some of these breweries. Actually, I don't know the majority of these breweries. I know there was something else in here. I felt it. There it is. Okay. I don't think anything else is in there. Let's get that out of the way. One of these goes, 2 of these go, these kits. Oh, I think it's this one. So we'll leave this one over here and we'll go like that. Okay. Mileage may vary, so I could be wrong, but we'll do the first one. This is the cider. We're gonna do the cider because I haven't done a cider. I'm not saying I'm brewing it first. I'm just showing it to you, okay? It's called Whole 9 Yards. Yeah, Whole 9 Yards, okay? And just for fun, let's pop this bad boy open so we can see if anything special comes with it. You know what I was looking for? Yeah, nope. So this just has, the packet has vigor and purify. That's an oxygen cleaner. It does an amazing job. But, oh, what do we got here? Oh, it's gonna be sweet and tart apple at about 5.6% ABV. Yeah, that'll work. That'll definitely work. I haven't had a good cider in a while. Fall's coming. It'll be beautiful for the fall. So I'm gonna set that one aside, okay? Then let's go for the one that comes with all the goodies, or at least I believe it comes with all the goodies. So, yes, I did get on their site and take a look at some of this stuff, but I forgot. And I like to keep it a little more real than reading to you. So this is called American Haze. I just mentioned, I believe they're originally a British company, but hey. Yeah. Ooh, this one comes with a goodie. Okay, so first of all, we've got the whole flag with lines and got all about the haze. But this bad boy, let's see what we got here. It says stone fruits, hoppy, pale, hazy. I'm not always a hazy fan, but I gotta tell you, the Brewdog hazy that was in a kit, that was really smooth. I like that. And this one is sitting at around 6% ABV. Yeah, that'll work. Now there's a bonus with this, okay? This one is a little more expensive from my understanding, but it comes with some cool things. You get this in plastic. You gotta open it up, or protective coating. It's a new tap handle. All American Haze. Yeah, hopefully you can see that. It's very, very, very nice. And I believe this comes with that, which is a, I think it's a stainless. Oh yeah, that sounds like stainless. But it is a, I brewed it, Pinter glass. Yeah, might work for cocktails, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna set that one aside. Let's set that in there so it doesn't get damaged. Don't wanna puncture a hole. Oh wait, I forgot. And it comes with a hopper, which means you're gonna got tons and tons of hop flavors and aromas. Just says hopper. Wish it would tell you what kind. I need to maybe get on the website, see what kind of hops going on in there. Let's get that one out of the way. This one, I believe, is somewhere in the UK. I don't remember if it's in England or one of those other little areas called Adnams. It's like Adams, but A-D-N-A-M-S, Southwold. I'm sorry. For people living in England or surrounding areas, you get some of these things a lot better than I do. I don't even know what that means. Adnams, Southwold. So instead of Southworld, it's South, W-O-L-D, called the Ghost Ship Remixed. And you all might go, oh my gosh, that's like one of the best beers here. I wouldn't know. I'm not there. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of like here. I know things that you don't know. But Then again, you know, we're known for being loud and proud, and we've probably told you about everything. It says it's 4.5% ABV. I don't like kicking things up the first try, you know, I'd rather have it the way it comes out of the kit, but I'm dying to add some corn sugar to this bad boy and kick it up a bit. Comes with a hopper, kicking up that aroma, kicking up the flavor. I like the colors a lot. I know that sounds weird, but I just do. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I can't seem to get the hopper back into that little container. There we go. Yeah, 4.5 it says on the back of here too. It says citrus, floral, a little bit above medium on the mid bitterness. Ooh, I see grapefruit and pine. Okay, now I'm sold. Okay, yeah. Grapefruit and pine, oh, that's right up my alley. That might be the first one we're going to actually do then, just because I love grapefruit and pine. But again, you know, I know this one comes with a bunch of goodies, and you're probably interested in that too. So maybe I'll flip a coin and see which one. But yeah, thank you. Huge thank you out to the Pinter. I will leave links below. Yes, there is a discount code. Yes, it does say, hey, Bitter Reality Brewing sent you. No, they don't pay me. What they do instead is, like I said, they throw me some kits like they did recently. I brew them. I share that information with you. The brew day, then the following day usually, or within 24 hours or 48, is the tasting. And I try to get Drew involved so there's more than one palate trying these things out. But yeah, cheers. I appreciate you. Show a little love. And hey, if you haven't checked out the Pinter, go check it out. It's very inexpensive. It's fun. And even if you're a hardcore brewer or you've never brewed before, it's easy. And like I said, it's just fun. I mean, the fun factor alone makes it worth it to me. Cheers.